If Lightroom is failing to install on your computer, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes that solve most installation errors in just a few minutes. These steps are simple, safe, and they often work when the installer gets stuck, stops halfway, or refuses to launch at all. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes like this. Let's get into it. First, restart your PC. This may sound basic, but it's one of the most effective fixes because it clears out stuck installer files and closes any background Adobe processes that may be blocking the setup. After the restart, try the installation again before doing anything else. Next, open Adobe Creative Cloud and run it as an administrator. To do that, right-click Creative Cloud and choose Run as Administrator. Giving it admin permissions can help the installer make the changes it needs on your system, especially if Windows was blocking access in the background. Now check your internet connection. Lightroom installation depends on a stable connection, so if your Wi-Fi is weak or dropping out, the install can fail. If possible, switch to a stronger network or use a wired connection while you install. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. VPNs and proxies can interfere with Adobe servers and cause download or sign-in errors. Once they're disabled, try the installation again. Another important step is to free up disk space on your C drive. Adobe apps need room not just for the installation itself, but also for temporary files during setup. Try to keep at least 20 to 30 gigabytes free on your main drive before installing Lightroom. After that, update Creative Cloud to the latest version. An outdated Creative Cloud app can cause compatibility issues and trigger installation problems. Open Creative Cloud, check for updates, and install anything available before retrying Lightroom. If the installation still isn't working, temporarily disable your antivirus software. Some security programs block Adobe setup files by mistake and prevent the installer from completing. Just remember to turn your antivirus back on once Lightroom finishes installing so your system stays protected. After going through these fixes, try installing Lightroom again. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the error right away. If not, repeat the process carefully and make sure there aren't any background Adobe apps still running in Task Manager. And that's it. Those are the main fixes for a Lightroom installation error. Restart your PC, run Creative Cloud as admin, check your internet, disable VPN or proxy, make sure you have enough free space, update Creative Cloud, and temporarily disable antivirus if needed. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.